Hello everybody, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Nobody Loves Me Like You by Chris Tomlin. So I'll go ahead and play the song for you now, and then afterwards I'll break it down in more detail. So let's get started.
Morning, I see you in the sunrise every morning. It's like a picture that you painted for me, a love letter in the sky. Story, I could have had a really different story, but you came down from heaven to restore me. Forever saved my life. Nobody loves me like you love me, Jesus. I stand in awe of your amazing ways. I worship you as long as I am breathing. God, you are faithful and true. Nobody loves me like you. Mountains, you're breaking down the weight of all my mountains. Even when it feels like I'm surrounded, you never leave my side. Oh, nobody loves me like you love me, Jesus. I stand in awe of your amazing ways. I worship you as long as I am breathing. God, you are faithful and true. Nobody loves me like you. Oh, what a song to sing. Oh, what a song to sing. Oh, what a song to sing. Oh, what a song my heart keeps singing. Oh, what a song to sing. Oh, what a song to sing. Oh, what a song to sing. Jesus, you love me, and I love you, God. Nobody loves me like you love me, Jesus. I stand in awe of your amazing ways. I worship you as long as I am breathing. God, I will worship you, forever worship you. Nobody loves me like you love me, Jesus. I stand in awe of your amazing ways. I worship you as long as I am breathing. God, you are faithful and true. Nobody loves me like you.
All right, so for the whole song, we're only using 4 chords from the G chord family. We're going to be using the G chord, C add 9, E minor 7, and D over F sharp. What's nice about all 4 of these chords, the particular variations that I'm using here for this song, your 3rd and 4th finger are not going to be moving for the whole song. So you're only going to be moving your first and second finger. So that makes transitioning even easier because you're moving less fingers. Now, the original key of the song is in B, and if you wanted to play it that way, you could just take your capo and put it on the 4th fret and use the same chord family that we use here in this tutorial. However, that is just too high for me to sing, so I just remove the capo and play it in G, and that is much easier for me to sing. But again, that's going to be up to you as to, your range in terms of singing. I'm using a very simple driving pattern for this song. It's the driving pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then we repeat. We're also adding emphasis on beats 1 and 3, so every other beat we're strumming harder. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, like that. You'll also notice that for the verses, I'm playing softer. I'm strumming softer for those, and when I get to the chorus, I'm strumming a lot harder, a lot more a full strum with all the strings. So when the verses, to play that a softer strum, all I'm doing is I'm touching the strings softer. I'm not going all the way through. I might just be strumming, 2 or 3 strings rather than strumming all 6 of them. So that's just a way to add some more dynamics within the song to where, you're strumming softer and more quiet for the verses and louder and more full for the chorus. If you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, you can click right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. All right, I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.